Just wanted to provide a quick channel update. I have changed the name of this channel. So formerly, the channel formerly known as Better Living Through CNC, going forward is going to be called 36verts. When I started this channel, I had borrowed that name from a blog that I used to very occasionally update. And then when I was writing that blog, I was doing a lot more mold and tooling production myself. It was a lot more CNC oriented. And I thought that was a nice, clever riff on Dow Chemical's Better Living Through Chemistry slogan. But as this channel has changed and evolved and grown, I really just focus on surface modeling. And I honestly just don't do very much mold and tooling production myself anymore. I certainly do a lot of models for them, but I'm not actively involved in that end of things. And so I had gotten to the point where I felt that the name of the channel didn't really reflect the direction of the channel and the content of the channel. And I figured, as this channel seems to be getting some momentum and finding an audience, thank you very much. Really appreciate everyone who subscribed so far. We're getting close to 1,000 subscribers, which is wonderful. But I figured if I was going to change the name of the channel, now was the time to do it. So thirtysixverts is a little reference to a degree 5 by degree 5 single span surface, right? So a single span 5 by 5 surface will have 6 verts in each direction for a total of 36 verts. So I thought that was a nice little play on what is essentially my favorite surface. You know, if I had to pick one surface to be the best surface as a primary surface, I'm going with a 5 by 5 single span surface. So there you go. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this channel going forward. I'm busy working on the next Sabra video. We're going to be tackling some of the most difficult parts of the car. So I'm busy working on making those things understandable, accessible, and teachable. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, thank you. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribing costs you nothing. You can always unsubscribe if you want, but it's hugely, hugely helpful to the channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.